Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we will be looking into how we can build AWS infrastructures using Terraform. If you are new to Terraform, please refer to our previous introductory video here. So let's get started. Before we start writing our Terraform code, let's first design our infrastructure. This makes it easier so that we can later reference it. This makes it easier so that we can later use it as a reference. Let's define the region where we want to deploy our VPC. In this tutorial, I will be using US West 2. Now, inside our region, we would need to define our VPC as well. So let me just grab a VPC widget and adjust it to make it look nice. For our VPC, we will be using 10.10.20.0/24 subnet, and we will be using this subnet throughout this tutorial series. We will also need to know which AZ this VPC would be under. As we know, VPC can span across multiple AZs, but for this tutorial, we will have our VPC in a single AZ. For this tutorial, I will be using US West 2A as the availability zone. Now our VPC is somewhat ready. We need to define our private and public subnet. For public subnet, we will be using 10.10.20.0/25 network. And for our private, we will be using 10.10.20.128/25 subnet. During this tutorial, we will deploy VM into both public and private subnets. Now let's add a router which signifies our routing table where traffic would look into to route traffic to the internet using our internet gateway. So let me just add a router, internet and internet gateway icon so that it's easier for us to know what are the things required when writing our Terraform code. Unlike instances in public subnet, instances in private subnet cannot reach internet directly, and hence we would need a NAT gateway. So let's just add a NAT gateway here. With this, we have our minimal AWS infrastructure designed ready. In the next video, we will look into creating this using Terraform. Please comment below about the things you would want us to work on this series of AWS and Terraform.